Hello guys, welcome to Success Zone. Today I am going to review NIT Calicut MBA. It is located at Southern India. I have already made review videos of some other NITs MBA, so you can definitely watch those videos, and those are better than NIT Calicut in recent placement data. So let's see the placement data of NIT Calicut. So I have downloaded this placement report from their website. Total offers, total registered, percentage, minimum salary, max, average salary. Let me scroll down. Here you can find MBA. Total offered 20, total registered 39, placement percentage 51.28, minimum salary 6 LPA, maximum 12 LPA, average 8.20 LPA. So CTC is decent, but placement percentage is not good. I have talked to some of the students of this college. I have got some good reviews, like they were telling NIT has brand value. It is a national college, and the fees is quite less. So if you want to pursue MBA with less fees and your uh, percentile in MBA entrance exams are less, then definitely you can consider this college. Uh, that's all from my side. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.